Hi, this is Mr. AB, another lesson video for SAT, ACT, and all the professional scholastic assessment. Please go ahead and subscribe if today is your first time, or if you have forgot to subscribe and hit the notification bell so anytime we drop a video you will get a chance to study with us. In this equation we have been given a fractional equation, and then they want us to find the value of x plus 6 all divided by 19. This is a typical way of the SAT and ACT questions. They will not go straight forward, and that's all the secret and the hint and the concepts that we are giving you out here. So let's go ahead and solve for our x, and then after that we plug it in for this, and then we can able to evaluate the whole expression here. So we are going to cross multiply. So this is two terms, so we are going to cover it with parentheses. So it's going to be x plus 2 times 16. You can put it behind, but basically we write a number first. And here 17 times x. So we're going to remove the parentheses, and it's going to be 16 times x. You bring your operation sign, and the 16 times 2. You're distributing the 16 over the addition. And here is going to be 17x. You will get 16x plus 32 equals to 17. We want to solve for x. We have x here, we have x here, so let's make this one 0. So we will subtract 16 here. Whatever we do the same thing here. It's gone. 32 is left. 17 minus 16 give us 1x. We are looking for the x, which is 1x, so we can swap it and we say x is equals to 32. Now we are going to find the value of this expression. So wherever we see x, we will put 32. 32 plus 6 divided by 19, and we get 38 divided by 19, and that gives us 2. All right, so make sure you follow the whole step, and your answer will just review. All right, so let's look at the next question, which we have 2 root x minus root y to the power 2 over 5. So let's see how we can able to write this. So we can able to split it a little bit for us to see the power, which is the index part. So we can rewrite this as that minus y and all of them squared, and then 1/5. And when we do that here, we realize that this is a binomial. It's 2 terms, so we have to use the binomial expansion or the perfect square expansion. And if we want, we can rewrite this as 2 times, which is only this part here. We can write it because of this square, so we can repeat it 2 times if we want. That's one way that we can do this. So as we do this, we can set up the distributive. That means we take this one and we multiply it against the whole of this. Multiply it against the whole of, close it. Then you take this piece here, which is negative root y, and you multiply it against the same 2 root x minus root y. And when you do that, now you're about to set the 4. This times this will give you 4, and this times this will be root of x squared. Then this times that will be negative 2 root x times root y. And we are done with the first one. We come to the second. Here will give you another negative we write the number first, 2 root, and let's write the x first. We are going by the variable, the first variable first, and then followed by the root of y, and this times that, which is negative times negative, become positive, and we get squared, a root and a square, so this will go away, giving us what, a 4x. This and that are like terms, so we bring all together, it's going to be negative negative, so we give them negative 4 root x and root y, and this goes away, so plus y. Now remember, we have to the power 1/5, so we get that, and that give us this answer C. If you want another way that we can able to do this, so we can consider the Pascals that give us this 1 1 2 1. So when we are squaring, we are on the second one here. So for instance, if we have a minus b all squared, and we are using this, is just the first one, you give it all squared, and then the middle you just is 2 times, it becomes 2 times a times that of that, so here become minus 2ab, and then lastly you square the last piece of it, that becomes b. So we can use that idea to expand this one if we want. So here we will square this, we will get 4, and we will square this, and that will goes away, and then we are going to multiply the 2 by that. So we're going to multiply the 2, so it's going to be 2 times 2, which is going to be 4 root x times negative root y, which will give us negative 4 root x and root y. And then lastly we will just square this, which is going to be positive because you're squaring the whole of this, so positive y. And we have our 1/5 here, and this one we can bring all of them under the same radical. Okay, so that's another way that we could also go about this question. I thank you very much, and watching all the way to the end. Please, if today is your first time and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and be blessed.